Hi friends, welcome to ETS Indian Gamer. So today's in this video, I'm gonna to tell you that how to increase traffic in Euro Truck Simulator 2 and without using any mode. Yes friends, I'm not gonna to tell you the name of any mode. So today I will be telling you how you can increase the traffic without using any mode, and yes, this trick will be working in all versions of Euro Truck Simulator 2 game. So as you can see that in this gameplay is running here, in this traffic is too much. So you can increase this traffic by just making some changes in config.cfg file of your Euro Truck Simulator 2 game. So let's go in computer screen. There I will show the changes that you need to make in config.cfg file. So let's go in computer screen. There I will show. So okay friends, now we are in our computer screen. So first of all we need to open my computer, and then we need to go in documents, and then we need to go in Euro Truck Simulator 2, and as you can see that here is the config.cfg file. So you need to open this file in notepad. So now let's open this file. So now after opening this file in notepad, now we have to search for uset g traffic, something like this. So we need to search uset, it is here uset g traffic. So by default it is 1.0, so you need to make changes here. You need to change it by 9.9, and after you doing this, now you have to again change the uset g load factor traffic. In it you need to change it by 9.0. By default it is 1.0, you need to change it 9.0. Then load factor parked, then also you need to make change in 9.0. After doing that, save your file, and now you are ready to use your game. Now your traffic will be increased. So okay friends, now we are in our game, and so now let's check whether our traffic is increased or not. So guys, as you can see that traffic is too much. As you can see that in my side, traffic is now increased. So enjoy the game. So I hope so friends, now you are able to change the traffic settings of your Euro Truck Simulator 2 game. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, comment down below and subscribe to my channel.